Okay, so let's take a look at example 4A. It says you need a mean score. So a mean score, that means average score. And how you find the average is you add all the numbers up, and then you divide by how many numbers there are. So it says you need a mean score of at least 90 points to advance to the next round of the touchscreen trivia game. What scores in the fifth game will allow you to advance? So if you're looking for an average score of at least 90, let's talk about how to find the average. So you would add up all 5 games. So game 1 plus game 2 plus game 3, game 4, and I'm going to call X game 5. Then you would divide by how many there are. There are 5 games, so I divide everything by 5. Now that is at least 90. That is greater than or equal to, because it means at least means 90 or more. And where I got the points were from right over here. All right, so then what I would do is in my calculator, I would add the numbers on the top. 95 plus 91 plus 77 plus 89. So that gets me 352 plus X, still all divided by 5. So now you just want to solve for X. So because it's one large fraction, you're going to multiply both sides of the inequality by 5. So I'm going to come over here because I'm out of room. So that gets me 352 plus X is greater than or equal to, and then 90 times 5 is 450. So then you're going to subtract the 352, and you're going to find out that X is greater than or equal to 98. So you need a 98 or higher to advance to the next round. All right, I'm going to go ahead and ask you to set up the equation for example 4B. It's the same type of problem, except it says your mean score must be at least 85 points. All right, so your equation should have been the 4 scores added plus X is your 5th score, all divided by 5, except this time because it's at least 85, it's greater than or equal to 85, not 90. So then you would combine the numbers on top to get 352 plus X is greater than, divided by 5 is greater than or equal to 85. And so then to get the 5 to go away, I'd multiply both sides by 5. I'm going to come up here. So that'd be 352 plus X is greater than or equal to 425. I subtract from 425, I do 425 minus 352, and I'd get 73. So X is greater than or equal to 73. So in example 4B, you would need 73 points or more to advance to the next round.